way to start it without some fire.
Off the porch, now I'm on a rooftop. Ay, 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 ay. Bad little bitch, she giving me knowledge. Fucking refined, she got a call. I get that girl on the
I shot it, man.
It's getting romantic, think I need a nap. So that boy Malik can't gon' hand me the Mac. No, I'm not a cool, but
We're going to Annapolis, so it's like an hour-and-a-half drive.
made that boy dance Michael Jackson. Niggas is maggots of paper, I'm stacking. It's getting romantic, think I need a nap. So that boy Malik can't gon' hand me the Mac. No, I'm not
Buddy's got a banner on his back windshield. He doesn't want to race it. No? He don't want to smoke. He said, respect that, I respect it. It's probably because he knew I got that thing on me. Also, BOW! BOW! So we just passed a Toyota dealership. You all know my love for Toyota Mark V Supras. I'm gonna try to test one. That made no sense. I'm gonna try to test drive one today. I don't know if they're gonna let me. I mean, personally, I wouldn't let me test drive it, but we're about to fuck around and find out, I guess. There they are, there's two of them. I think we fucking need one. Today's the day I'm buying one. Right now, I'm buying one. I'm buying one. We're buying both of them. Who wants the other one? Do you think they're actually gonna let me test drive one? Bruh, I look like dog shit. I woke up at 1 p.m. today.
Put the NASA suit on.
Y'all boys said you wanted NASA suits, like Webby NASA suits, and I can make it happen. You know what? I just photoshopped a picture. I'm gonna throw it up on the screen. If y'all want them, let me know who's serious and I'll drop them. All right, I don't know if they're gonna take it serious, so we brought the correct wallet to bring in today. We're fucking serious. Now, I only have $1 in here, but...
Bitch, I'm fly as a bird in the Montclair sky.
This thing is absolutely insane. I need one, boys. I know y'all gonna hate me if I get one. I'll check my pocket. Fuck. You put your money with mine.
I have $4. You
We got $5. So we can, they're not gonna drive these bitches off the curb though. Wait, how did they even get them up here? You think they jumped them? Let's go in here like we're rich.
Yeah.
Good, how are you? We just got the keys. I'm stealing this bitch. Boys, tell me this is not a better view for the videos. No, you're not getting in my Supra. All right, should I drive it off the lot? Just jump the curb? The thing is, I don't need back seats. Fuck, I need back seats for. This fits me just right. I think they should just give me one.
He didn't seem like he was serious or thought we were serious.
No, he definitely thought I was just a piece of shit. But come on, man. We pulled up in that, you know. We got a NASA suit. I definitely like the black. I like the black or the silver. Fuck that yellow color, sorry.
It's got 2 latches. So you gotta pull it twice. Yeah, hang on. I got an old muscle car. I don't run this shit.
That's my BMW there, so I'm all in that game.
Costs too much to fix them. Gotta be a rocket scientist to work on them.
I don't know about that.
At the track when I go, they'll run 11.0. Then they'll go back and do something to it with the computer. Come right back up in line, fucking run 10.19. Yeah. He said, well, this is what they do, Mark. They take this and notch this out. I'm like, what? He ain't notching my shit all out.
Are you letting people test drive these or no?
Yeah, they'll probably make me go with you, but I can do that unless we make a copy of your license. Hey,
Dude, did y'all hear him step on that side skirt so loud? They didn't let us test drive it because we didn't like sit down and talk numbers, and I get it because I'm sure a lot of people come in here just trying to test drive them and they're not actually serious. But 2022 might be the year Wyatt gets a Supra. Sorry about my Instagram post. I teased you all and said I got a new car, but appreciate it when he said congrats on the new car that I didn't get. I will manifest that one day. New Corvette is right there as well. Hey, I'm interested in the C8. Nah, they would know I'm capping. They're like, you broke bitch. Goodbye, my love. How mad would y'all actually be if I get a Mark V Supra next? Because I posted New Year, New Car on my story as a joke with the keys, and I'm getting roasted. I got like 50 DMs in like 20 minutes. And they're like, Wyatt, I know if you had the money, you would have bought something better. I kind of want a Supra, all right? What car do you all want me to get? Shit. Alright, so this video is now turned into Wyatt goes car shopping. We're gonna see what BMW's got.
I say you go there.
To Mini? Alright. I changed my idea. We're getting Mini Coupes. This is like a shitty dealership. BMW of Annapolis. Your parking lot sucks dick. We have brought the BMW back home. Let's go see if they have an M3, M4, M2. Let's see what they got, man. All right, boys, we're back on the phone filming because I feel like dealerships get a little mad when we whip out the big camera. But here's a car that most of y'all want me to get, 340i. This thing's pretty sweet, though. I do like that interior. Oh, shit, here we go. G-Series. I just can't fade the big grills at all. I cannot. I mean, the interior is nice as shit, but 8 Series? Oh shit, hold on. I can afford it. Fuck are you doing with those goddamn grills, my boy? Yo, it's a BMW yours. Dude, the color looks crazy. I gotta get the Mini Coupe. That's the goddamn move, actually. I just went in the BMW dealership. I was asking about 340i's. I put on my Instagram, let me know what cars you guys want to see in the future. I asked about all the cars that y'all said. The worker was not taking me serious at all. Everything I said, he was like, no, sold, no, sold. Hi, BMW of Annapolis. Suck my cock. I did not take me serious at all. So fuck them. I just did that shit right in front of the dealer. Next time I'm gonna walk in with a goddamn stick on me. I'm gonna walk up in that bit like this and he ain't gonna know what the fuck to do. Give me the 340i, bitch. Maybe I need one of those. So we're pulling up on the mall because I'm starving and I gotta pee so goddamn bad. And there's a parking garage. We're gonna get arrested. Oh, it's not as loud up here. That was my exhaust scraping. Made it. Alright, we're parking, that's it. Probably pissed a bunch of people off, but we've made it. Damn shithole in Macy's or wherever we're at. There's just shit everywhere. I could go for a nap right now. Come cuddle. Try to get like you, my boy. We should just do one of those like super embarrassing YouTube intros. What the fuck is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know what the fuck we doing, bro. Gonna rage quit. It's the storm. I beat. No! Come on, dude. Win on. I'm never playing with you again. No! Oh! Dude! I'm getting a new duo partner, man. You suck ass. Eat that shit. Let's do a Philly steak review. Sex. God damn. She's looking at us. Hey, yo. Alright, man, we had that bitch. Almost called a double Fortnite. Ate a shitty cheesesteak. Get it? Shitty. Alright, back in this bitch. I think I found a horn friend. Who's honking? Practice. Cop. There's a cop? I said, what in? Oh my god, you scared the shit out of me. Man, you already know what time it is. Hey, babe. Shut up, dude. People with loud cars are so goddamn annoying.
Oh, I wasn't recording. Say that.
I would've fucking murdered you. That's for the gram.
It's Wyatt Webster with 2 R's. Are they even gonna read that the right way?
Hey, my bad, bro. If you're watching the video, I love you. It's just, I gotta talk shit. Oh my god. We found my my future car. Oh my God. I need it. Let me get it. Should I just ask him? Ain't no way, boy. Let me get it. Oh, he wants to race. Oh, he wants to race. All right, come back, motherfucker. What is he doing, bro? Superman, that's not how you race, buddy.
He just drove by, put a thumbs up.
Didn't even go. Low-key, the NASA suit's very nice for the snow. Let me know if you guys actually want Webby's ones. Send the video. Follow me on Twitch. I've been streaming on there a lot. Follow my Instagram. Subscribe. Run the likes up. First video of 2022. All right, fellas. Get you on the flip.
I'm a trendsetter, if I want her, I get her. Switching lanes in the middle of December. Resi blizzard like it's snow in the winter. Dirty choppers like it's rain in the summer. Some of my niggas swiping Visa numbers. Smoking gas, rolling loud, it's like thunder. Dirty steel, nigga Willow.